Welcome to Scorpio Cherry Tarot, and if this reading found its way into your feed, it really is just for you. Don't forget to like and follow. So here we have Collective Conscious. This card reveals to you that you may be feeling deeply moved by the issues of others or the mood shifts of people around you. Perhaps feeling fearful about the multitude of change taking place in your environment. This fear may grow if you're surrounded by negative energy, negative people, or perhaps negative social media. At times like this, don't allow yourself to get caught up in the fear of endless future possibilities. Pull back to your center or core self, perhaps withdrawing from media sources. Treat yourself this evening. Maybe spend time with positive friends, family, or relaxing in solitude. We all feel overwhelmed sometimes and need to pull back to charge our batteries. Take care.